Hi everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kick up. You will click on settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about kick up. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then we will go to Play Store. You will search about kick up. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.